This video will show you how to view student learning analytics in the DBL software. First, go to the DBL software and log in. Select My Models, type the name of the decision model you're looking for, and it will appear. Then click on it. Click on Courses. If you've created a course or many courses, you'll find them in this panel. Note these courses can be created in two ways. First, within the DBL software by clicking this button, opening, naming the course, and providing a course code. Second, by creating an assignment in a learning management system. The moment the first students access the DBL software in the learning management system, a course will automatically be created in the DBL software, like this one. One of the advantages of having the students access a DBL assignment through a learning management system is that courses will be created automatically in subsequent semesters without you having to do anything. Click on the course where you want to see how the students are performing. You can access learning analytics for all of your students here and for individual students here. Let's click on this document icon for this student. Here we see that this student has completed 6 of 43 problems across 5 assignments, which is about 14% complete. On each assignment, you can see how many they completed correctly and how many remain. Of the 38 decisions this student made in this assignment, 12 are correct. Note only the percentage of problems or questions correct is sent back to the learning management system. However, the overall decisions correct are not sent back to the learning management systems. Click OK. Next, let's look at a visual learning analytic by clicking on this bar chart icon. Notice how the decision model turns into a heat map. To see the analytics more clearly, you can click the white arrow to close the side panel. You can zoom in using the magnification bar. Green means most of the students' decisions have been correct through this option. Red to orange means most of the time when the students selected this option, it was incorrect. The thicker the line, the more problems have been taken through this option. The thinner the line, the less problems have been taken through this option. To see the percentage correct at each decision point, click Details. We will now return to the list of students by clicking this blue circle and scrolling up until you locate Learners Overall. Click on the Visual Learning Analytics icon. You can now see the analytics for the entire class. Close the left panel to see more of the model. Examine the model for areas where it looks like the students may be struggling, like here or here or here. At each decision point, you can click Details. You'll be brought to this dashboard. The first thing you will notice is that of the 352 problems cumulatively taken through the decision point, 259 were correct, or roughly 74% correct. The same information is available for each option. Notice that when the problem was a difference problem, the class got it right 75% of the time. However, when it was a difference problem, they incorrectly chose relationship 16% of the time, and goodness of fit almost 9% of the time. When you click Relationship, the second option, you'll notice only one student took one relationship problem through this decision point and got it correct. Now let's click on the final option. When it was this option, the class got it right 41% of the time. When ready, click Close. You can do this at any decision point in the model. This can be helpful in order to focus on learning gaps later. Finally, you can export student scores by clicking on this download icon. In PCs, this file will appear. Click on it. Then click Open. A CSV file will open like this, with your students' names in the far left column and the percentage correct on each DBL assignment. That concludes this video on learning analytics in the DBL software.